So thank you for joining me. I'm so excited to show you guys some tips and tricks for selling, and this can be for like apps like Mercari or Poshmark. I mean, if you use eBay still, I don't use eBay. To use these different tactics to get higher sales, because at the end of the day, you want to treat your customers how you want to be treated. If you just shove stuff into a bag and expect you get 5-star reviews, then you're not really working for it. So really treat it like you would any business and give it that love, that time, and attention that it needs and it deserves. So my tip here is gift wrapping paper, and just to go out, get some stuff that you're like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's like stuff that whether it's stripes or colors, people can do different things and make your storefront look that much neater, and send it out as if it were coming from Zara or Chanel. Like they put the sticker in the right spot and everything's just so like clean cut, and you open it and you're just like, ah. So really think about that. Are you this fun, flirty, super girly? What are you? And really establish that, and your storefront's really going to translate to that, and that's going to get you higher sales. Another tip that I have is handwritten thank you cards. Those are amazing. I know when I first got mine, that just was like so sweet, and it's just quick and simple. You're putting in that extra effort that someone else is not going to do. Someone else is going to shove that stuff in there and just send it out. You are making the extra effort, and you're going to get the 5-star review, and you're going to get higher sales, guaranteed. So keep doing what you're doing with the handwritten thank you cards, the tissue paper, and it's just pretty much a cocktail for success. That's not a cocktail, that's stirring. Things that I really have, maybe when you first start out, you don't necessarily need it, but if you have tissue paper lying around from something you just purchased, save it and repurpose it to throw in like little candies. I'll have my daughter say, okay, it's time to throw it in the box, and she'll just grab the candy, throw in like 2-3 in there, do it. It's really good to get that 5-star review, and that's the goal, is that people are going to trust your brand when they see 10 different 5-star reviews. Having that rapport with your storefront is going to really, really bring in those buyers. If you're a brand new store and you don't have any reviews yet, that's okay, because you're gonna get them. Just keep watching. Putting in the extra effort is going to get you where you want to be. They know I'm a fast shipper. They know I do cutesy stuff with the packaging and all that, the handwritten thank you cards, the little candies. Sometimes I'll throw in like little knickknacks and goodies, like little hairbands, headbands. I'm like, oh it's my kid's birthday. Oh, I have a birthday hat. Put it on in, and you're just like, oh my gosh, they gave me 2 things. Just like with any business, you want to exceed your clients' expectations. You don't want to just, here's the bare minimum. You want to be above average. You want to ship out as quickly as you can, and they're gonna really appreciate that extra effort. Go above and beyond. There's going to be people that notice, and they might come to your store again, which is always, I love when people come back to the store, because it's always the best. You just feel really good, or they like show you a picture of the outfit, and you just that little fuzzy feeling. I get my tissue paper from Target, and sometimes the Cartwheel app is going to have like a percentage off. Any little bit helps. I actually got thank you cards from Target. It was like marked down like 30 or 40%, and they were thinner. But that's perfect for what this is all about. It's Poshmark. Keep it simple. It is okay.